Hey everyone, it's Allison here again with New Little Life. Today we're going to unbox and set up the Medela Freestyle Flex. Okay, so I just got this new Medela pump in the mail and I'm really excited to open it up with you guys. So let's jump right in. While I'm opening it up, I wanted to mention our new private Facebook group. If you want individualized help for choosing the breast pump that's right for you, you can join our new private Facebook group. I'll put a link down in the description for you. I'm over there, tons of other moms are over there, and we can help you kind of pick the pump that works best for you. I wish there was a one size fits everybody pump, but they're all so different. Okay, so we've got the Freestyle Flex. You've got the instructions, which is great. We'll read those later. Everything's always packaged so pretty from Medela. I like it. The pump. Sleek. Okay, so that's a very small pump, which is what I was expecting. Even comes a little bit charged. Cool. We'll play more with that in just a second. Okay, it comes with some disposable nursing pads. Nice little touch. My favorite thing ever. If you've seen other Medela videos that I've done before, you'll know that I love their coolers. So these coolers will fit 4 bottles. Those are each 150 milliliters, about 5 ounces. And it comes with the ice pack that holds the bottles. This is a really thick and durable cooler. You're not gonna find one better than that. Medela makes the best out there. Okay, next we've got this box. Okay, so this is your tubing, your flanges. It looks like it comes with 2 sets of flanges, 221 millimeters and 224 millimeters. So those are both really average sizes. I probably should have looked up what the names of all this stuff was. I don't know the actual names of these parts, I'm sorry. But these are new with the Medela. I've seen these on almost every pump that I've opened a new one with them. Is this style, and I'll break it open for you in just a second. Okay, so we've got a charging brick, which is dual voltage, if you wanted to know that, and a charging cord, which is the USB style, which I love, which means that you can charge it on your computer, in your car, on a brick, wherever you want. Also comes with 2 little bottle stands, which is nice for when you're done pumping, gives you somewhere to put the bottles. And of course, it's Medela, so it comes with a case. A lot of their pumps come with travel cases, which is great because a really common question that moms have are, now how do I carry this pump? And Medela usually solves that problem for you by giving you one. Is this like the cutest purse ever? I mean, no, but it works really well for their pumps. And then you just don't even have to think about it. Okay, so you've got a pocket on the side, which also has a little closure. I'd probably put my pump right there. And then you've got a pocket in the front and a zipper pocket along the back as well. You also have a little pouch on the front. That's gonna hold the cooler and this pump and all of your other stuff. So if you wanted just one bag, you're taking to work, you could fit a lot of extra stuff in there too. Okay, but let's talk about how to set this up real quick so you know what you're dealing with. So the bottle goes directly on the bottom here. These new Medela ones are interesting because they don't have the flaps that I'm used to on. Usually there's a valve or something like that in between this part and the bottle, but this new style of pump, it's included in here, and I'll show you that. So the bottle just goes on right like that. You may need to boil some of these parts before you start. All of that information will be in the instruction manual for you. But this little piece comes off right here, which you'll need to do in cleaning. And you've got this little backflow protector kind of thing, and it's got the valve to complete the system that goes in between the milk right on it. So that's a very specific piece that's gonna go with this new Medela system that they've got going on. That's kind of cool. This is gonna keep the milk, it's a backflow protector is all it is. It's gonna keep the milk from coming in here and going into your tubes. They've also got this new style of Flange, which I've tried on another new pump of theirs, and I actually kind of like it. It's got the soft rubbery sides, which is nice. It's also a little bit asymmetrical. So it's kind of a weird shape, but you can get it to form to the breast quite a bit better. It's easy to clean. I did think this was one of the more comfortable flanges that I've pumped with. Easy to go right on there. You can also get those in different sizes like I mentioned. I'll put some links down below if you need a different size other than the 24 or the 21 that this comes with. Okay, so that's all set up. I just unwrapped the tubing here. This looks like really standard Y tubing. One interesting thing though that I noticed about the new Medela tubing is these don't come apart. So this whole 3 set is stuck like this. So if you want to just pump one side, you do need to close the system by putting this in this hole. Like that. So that it closes up the system, and then you'll just use the one side. And then you'll dropping stuff everywhere. And then you'll just use the one side for your pumping. So if you want a single pump, you're gonna have to close that off, don't forget. So the short end goes in the back here. If you were setting this up to 2, that other side would go on the other one. Since we're just doing one, I am gonna close that loop. And then this fancy end is gonna go in your pump. Now, I have never seen this style of connector before. If you can see, it's like a triangle shape. So you will definitely need this specific tubing for this specific pump. Okay, let's play with this pump a little bit. Let's just turn it on, see what happens. Oh, the number is moving. I don't know why that's happening. I think it's counting how long you're pumping. This is loud. I wonder if it's on the max suction. Okay, so there's the level 1 suction. This pump is vibrating like a lot. It's still vibrating quite a bit though, more than other portable pumps I've used. That's not bad, I'm just saying. Okay, so I'm guessing that this is stimulation mode. You can switch it to expression mode by this button. Yeah, so that's gonna be less cycles per minute. It's more of a long suck. Similar to what a baby does. A baby is gonna start by sucking a little bit faster to bring that letdown. As soon as you have a letdown, you can switch over into expression mode. You can see the pump slowed down, although the suction level is still adjustable. Up to 9. Wow, that pump is working really hard. Okay. This is not the quietest pump that I have played with. It would be quieter when you were using it, I'm sure, because there would be suction here. You can just tap that play button to pause it, start it again. Really, really easy. It's no longer counting. So I'm not really sure what it was counting in the beginning. I'll have to read the instructions to figure that out. But I'm gonna be doing another video on this pump soon with a review. I'm gonna try it out, play with it, throw it in my purse and take it with me, see how long it takes to charge, and I'll be doing a full review on it a little bit later. But if you have questions on this pump, put it down in the comments so I know what to answer for you in the next video or what other kinds of things I might be able to answer for you real quick. Something that I automatically like about this pump is it's small and, from what I can tell, powerful. So that pump was really doing a job. So I'm gonna say if you wanted a small yet mighty pump, this one might be the one for you. I also like that it comes with everything you need: a cooler, a bag, Flange in some really good sizes. I mean, that's what you get when you shop with Medela. They're just gonna give you everything you need to get going. Okay, and then lastly, let's load up this bag and see how everything looks in it. Okay, there you go. Everything's on there. Cooler, Flanges, the pump I've got over here on the side, bottles. There's 4 bottles in there. Tons of extra room too. You could put a lot of stuff in that cute little bag. Voila. Okay, I hope this unboxing and setup was helpful for you. You can also find me on Facebook and Instagram. I'm probably the most active on my Instagram. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel so you can see more pumping videos, or go check those out right now, and we'll see you later. They've also got this new, Medela, that's what you get when you